Hi guys, Kalla Elwell again, independent Norwex Sales Consultant, and right now I'm going to demo the mop to show you. So our mop, first of all, has a telescopic handle that twists to lock into place, and it has two different heads to it. You can think of the yellow one. Ooh, I was already doing some dusting. So yellow for sunshine, so yellow is dry, and blue is going to be wet. So your yellow is what you're going to use for dusting on your floor to get up all the goods, and the extra on the ends can even be pushed up against your baseboards to get all those dusty things off of your baseboards. Once you've collected that pile of dust and food and all that kind of stuff, you're going to come along with a wet EnviroCloth. This one's not wet, but you're going to come along with a wet EnviroCloth and just go under that front edge of it, scoop it up, and put that in the trash. And if there's dog hair or human hair, anything else that's on there, you're going to use your rubber brush and just scrape it off into the trash can. Then when you're done, this is Velcro, comes right off. There's a loop, a hook, or a loop to put on a hook to hang it. You're going to use your blue one wet. You're going to wet it, put it down on the floor. You can just step on it to get that Velcro in there, and boom, you're going to mop your floors. This can also be used on walls to wipe your walls, and there's lots of other fun extensions to them now too. So they have a window cloth or a window pad that can go on the end of this. So if you want to be inside or outside cleaning the windows of your home, you can get the window pad. And the last thing that I want to show you, the mop doesn't come with this, but you can order this separately. The Ergo Bend allows you to get under chairs and under furniture so that you're not, just knocking into things the way you normally would with a mop. So that is a super great feature to have the Ergo Bend, to be able to reach under everything in the house. Saves you time, way easier. You're definitely getting a good clean.